Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Mercy and you're back again with another video. First of all, I hope you guys are keeping safe and following the COVID-19 rules so as to not get the virus. So on today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do Bantu knots on your short natural hair. As you can see, I've just washed my hair, ready to get started with the video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please guys, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up, and after watching the video till the end, leave a comment down below telling me what you think. Thank you and stay tuned. So first I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner for the hair to be soft and straighten. Yes, so that's what I'm going to do first. With my coconut oil. So what I'm doing is I'm parting my hair and I'm using rubber bands to hold them first. Then I'll go in with the braids. These are the braids that I'm going to use. It's color number 2. Yeah. So let me show you guys how I do my parting. And don't make it tight so that the crochet can pass through.
But you still run away, break hearts, save the day, restart. Be the way so dark, can't you see what's going on? You just lie so long, can't deny you're wrong. Feeling I all gone, I just wanna go alone. I'm just trying to prove that I'm the best. I don't do it for the money, for the cause, or for the chest. I got way too many people trying to put me through the test. I'm just feeling really good about myself without the rest. What you saying, what you saying, what you feeling? Coming back home slowly. What you saying, what you saying, what you feeling? So baby, let me know how I lost control. Save the day, restart, be the way so dark. Can't you see what's going on? You just lie so long, can't deny you're wrong. Feeling I all gone, I just wanna go alone. I'm just trying to prove that I'm the best. I don't do it for the money, for the cause, or for the chest. I got way too many people trying to put me through the test.
So I'm going to apply my anti-dandruff and anti-itching on my braids. So you're going to make one side longer than the other side. Until the end of the hair. If your hair is long, no need to do it until the end of the hair. Then do half and yeah, do the rest like that. Twist it as you go. So guys, this is the final look. Tell me what you think about it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe in this channel so that you can get to watch my video and always get notified when I post a video. So leave a comment below telling me what you think about this look. Is it a yay or a nay? And don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you on my next one. Bye.